Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like an overlay behind a character on CapCut PC. So select your video and just copy and paste it, and then on the second video select cutout and select auto cutout and just wait for it to be removed. Then you're going to add in that so-called overlay on top of the second video, but like behind the, oops, I can't seem to put it there. There you go. Just put it back there, and then you can even like adjust the opacity, but since the background is white you can't quite see the person's background. Maybe I'll try it with this one so you guys can see a little bit better that it does work. So if I add this here, but like on top of the main background, you can see the like main background still, even though I put this in. And yeah, that is basically it. You can also change like the blend mode a little bit if you'd like to, maybe this color burn one. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.